welcome back to Project Frankenstein. Today, the number one goal is to get the engine and transmission back in the truck. Obviously, there's still a lot more to do after that, but that's our biggest goal for today. Getting this thing connected and getting it back in the truck. So, boom. Impressed with myself. I got the transmission in, and now I'm just trying to get everything put back in. What I'm trying to do that I kind of learned from Sam is move it forward, maybe set it down, push the lift in to kind of swing it, keep it moving forward, make it a little easier. It's definitely going to be a challenge just doing it myself, but I think I can do it. Hopefully I'll have backup arrive, but if not, I think I can get this done. So, boom. Showed up to the party.
Ready
What
for a
up?
quick little checkup?
Yeah, that's right. Alex is gonna help me. So we got it all connected. Now it just needs to go in there. Right, Alex?
I think this goes on there. We'll figure it out though. We'll just have to YouTube it.
Yeah. All right, how we doing, Alex?
We're looking pretty good. I think we got good clearance. We should be in pretty quick.
Yeah, we pretty impressed. We've got everything pretty lined out. Got rolling pretty easily. So we should be good, huh?
Let's do it.
All right, boom. Where are we at, Alex?
Close.
Very close. Look at that. We only got like, what is that, 6 inches? We're just trying to clear the
Yeah, it's a question of clearance on
the tranny side.
multiple little angles, but otherwise we're going. We're just taking it slow because we don't want to damage anything or break anything unnecessarily by rushing it. So
Right.
we'll get there.
Totally. Boom.
Right here, this is shifter housing. That's kind of got to get under that little lip before we can get Mr. Transmission over the cross member. So once we get him under, we can get him over. Hopefully that makes sense. Thanks to Alex and his brother's help, we were able to determine to take this off so we can, because right now that's what's getting stuck, the top of that and the bottom of the transmission. So we're going to take that top plate off, stick it in, and we should be good to go. Alright, so we're on the last part. We're just trying to get these back bolts off. They're giving us a hard time because we got this like thing there that's in the way of that bolt there, and boom. All right, so we got everything lined out now. So we took the cover off, and you can see there's my gears. You can see on the first gear there, it's got a little bit of wear, but nothing crazy. So I'm gonna cover it with the towel, and now we should definitely be able to fit in. Boom. Boom! Dude, can you believe we did that, Alex? Got it in. We're good.
Boom. Engine in. Transmission in. Boom. So excited. You have no idea. Look at that. How awesome is that?
It's in, baby.
Boom. Alex, what do you think, man? It's starting to look like a truck again.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. So we got the hood on, we got the engine, transmission in. Next weekend we'll probably put in all the front fascia. Well, actually, I guess we'll probably do more of the engine stuff while it's open.
We'll do the transmission and all the ancillary alternator.
Yeah.
Starter.
Yeah.
We'll check that. We'll make sure the exhaust is connected and
boom.
we'll be good to go.
Yeah. Huge progress. Huge steps, baby. Boom. You like that? Huh? You like that, Alex?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Huh?
Huh? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the way in, Brian.
Yeah. All on camera, baby.
You're gonna edit that last piece out, right?
Oh, yeah, I'll totally edit it out. Don't worry, man. We're good. We're good. Look at that beautiful, beautiful piece of machinery. Yeah, baby. All right, boom, baby. Obviously, great day for Project Frankenstein. We got the engine in, transmission in, boom. Like, subscribe, watch all my friends' channels. Thank you so much to Alex for all of his help. I really appreciate it. Could not have done it without Alex's help. But thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Boom.